This is Basic Views in Blender. We're going to start by talking about your mouse. This is your left mouse button. This is your middle mouse button. You can roll it back and forth or click it in and out like a regular button. Right here is your right mouse button. When you move your mouse, it moves your cursor around the screen. If you roll the middle mouse button, it zooms your view in and out. If you click and hold the middle mouse button while you move the mouse, it'll change your viewing angle. If you do that while you hold down the Shift key, it'll move the view around to new areas. If something's off in a hard-to-reach area and you hit the period button on your number pad, which is on the right side of your keyboard, it centers that object into your view. Number 1 changes to front view, number pad 3 changes to side view, and number pad 7 switches to top view.